like this that still remain both there. There is no open room between pyramid and pyramid except for the little tunnel. It's like a mine, yeah? Because everything was perfectly sealed. And something else after they restored this from 1920s till 1938 is that they discovered that the pyramid represents the solar calendar too. It has 365 steps altogether. The 4 stairways together made 365 steps. 91 per side. Like every season's length of 91 days.
Wow.
4 times 91 makes 364 plus the top. 365. And when the builders, 1,000 years ago, made the project of this, astronomers also gave the pyramid a special deviation. So this pyramid has relation with the solstices. Where we are now is here, west, where the sun sets every afternoon. In these days of winter, the sun is all the way south. It's south from the pyramid. It's here.